When somebody is polite, he greets you with good morning or good afternoon. Don't you agree? Yeah. And since this recording is done at 5:45 p.m., it is good afternoon. Why 5:45 p.m.? Well, in the previous video I told you in a yellow square that my VMS, my video management system, stopped recording. And normally one would say, oh, but that is no problem, because at the end of the day you have not forgotten that. So you will check your footage and then you find out that the files are not there for whatever reason. Yeah. Yeah, you are supposed to do that, but I did not. And the day after, I did not. And the day after, I did not. So for 4 days, I just thought, well, when I press record on the system, it will record, because it did so many weeks before. It did not. For 4 days. So, yeah, I know that if I would not mention this to you, you would not have noticed it. But yeah, I do mention it. So, in this video, I will share some wheelhouse footage, and I will share some handheld footage from, well, perhaps 4 days. And then that's all. Perhaps I will do some voiceover too. Not like Tony Fleming. It was a beautiful morning. That venture was on anchor in the Alaska Bay. Tried that one, didn't work out. So in this video, a little bit different than before. But yeah, now you know, so you are prepared. Enough introduction. I suggest that we start this journey. Care to join? Come on then. Let's go! On the horizon I see this catamaran ferry with a high speed called Penta, and all of a sudden it stopped. So I altered my course because I wanted to see what was going on. Yeah, I cannot film it because it's too far away. Wait, I can create a screen grab. Let's have a look. I cannot do anything. I'm just a Dutch pleasure boat on Swedish waters. What can you do? Well, shoot footage and share that with you. Yeah. If I look, then I see there is some blackish behind the boat. Would it be possible that it is from the boat, or that it dropped from the boat, or is it a boat that they hit? Why else would a ferry slow down his speed? Okay, closer. Oh, it's a small fishing boat. An open fishing boat. It seems to be okay. I see a rope in front of the bow, so one would almost think that it is on anchor, but I do not see a day sign anchor ball. Ah, there is a guy. Okay, so there is a guy in an open boat. It's just that simple. Oh, and the boat is floating again. Penta is floating again. So I guess that there is a problem with the boat. It has nothing to do with this fisherman. It all has to do with the boat itself. Yeah, I cannot film it, I think. Just another experience whilst sailing the Björkö Fjord in Sweden. A damaged ferry. And in my mind there was an accident and a boat was hit. Yeah, perhaps we all laugh about this. I would have guessed that this ferry would not have continued its journey the moment that something really was wrong. It's a cloudy day today, so it's grayish. And I have switched on my radar so that I, besides on the chart, I also pick up purple spots. There was just a black stone in the water, and on the chart it was visible as 1.6 above the water, but it was way lower. So yeah, I was happy that I could see it on my radar. Wow. All of a sudden the fog comes in. I'm a little bit underdressed for this fog. So even in the wheelhouse it is getting chilly. Oh, by the way, I think it was somewhere in 2023 that social media presented me pictures of boaters who cruised in the Gothenburg archipelago in Sweden. And when I saw that, I was in awe. So in summer of 2024, I decided to go and check out those surroundings myself. This video is a part of a series in which I share my trip to this Gothenburg archipelago and back to the Netherlands. And the series shows you my trip through Germany, Denmark and Sweden. And every day that I cruised during this trip results in at least one video. So chances are that I am physically already back in the Netherlands, whilst I still share the new horizons and surroundings of this archipelago. But hey, that is why a video like this is called entertainment. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Did you like it? I guess because you watched until the end. Blah 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 blah. Until the end. Yeah. I only had 1 cup of coffee. Oh, that's not true. I started with coffee at 7:30 this morning, and then at when was it? 1 o'clock I had my second cup of coffee. So I need another one. I think I deserved it. Did you like the video? Please let me know by the world famous thumbs up button. And for now, do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye. Hehe. Yeah, and then I will grab a cup of coffee in the sun. Oh.